Hey, what's going on YouTube? robparkers Fishing World, back again with another video. Today guys, we're going to be going over to Chatfield, just trying to target some more of those smallmouth. But on my last smallmouth video, I had a lot of comments asking about the setup and how you rig the chartreuse worm and stuff. So we're going to go over the setups, plus I got a new Fluger try-on. Got the 2500 reel, 6'6" try-on, so I'm just going to go over the setups and we'll head over to the lake. Alright guys, so this is the new Fluger try-on reel. I got the try-on rod as well. Pretty sleek setup. On it, I'm going to be using a yum dinger, little chartreuse tail. I think it's called Carolina. The color is called Carolina Pumpkin with a chartreuse tail. And this rod is a try-on rod, but it actually came with this 3500 series try-on. But I put the 2500 series on there because it's a little bit smaller. So that's one of the setups. And I got 6-pound P-line fluorocarbon on both of these. So, and my ultralight setup here is a Daiwa D-Spin 500B spooled up with some 2-pound P-line fluorocarbon. It's on a Akuma, I think it's called a Solilo ultralight, super lightweight rod, lightweight setup. And then on it, we're going to be just using the chartreuse worm. It's a Berkeley trout floating worm on a 1/64th ounce jig head. On that 2-pound line, you can cast it pretty good. You just have to fight the fish a little bit more. So that's the two setups we're going to be using today, guys. I kind of want to use my try-on more, but we'll see what they want to eat. So let's head over to the lake and get the fishing started. Should be able to get him right here. Let that yum dinger kind of sink down a little bit, and then twitch it, twitch it, twitch it, twitch it, pause it, twitch it, twitch it, pause it, twitch it, twitch it, twitch it, pause it. Twitch it, twitch it, pause it. Twitch it, twitch it, pause it. Kind of swimming a little bit here and there. And let it die down like that. A lot of times they'll hit it on the fall. Here he comes, he's got it. First one on the yum dinger. First one on the yum dinger right here. Let's get him over here. Got my big medium setup, my Fluger medium setup here. First one of the day, got 6-pound line today, no ultralight today, so should be able to get them pretty easy. Nice little smallie. Let's get a shot of him and get him released. Got him on that yum dinger, the little chartreuse tail. Let's get a shot of him. All right, guys, there's that smallmouth. Get back right here. Ready to go, buddy? Right, there he goes. Yum dinger. There. There he is. Nice. First one over here on the dam. It's a pretty good fish. Stay pinned. 6-pound line. My medium heavy setup. What do we got? It's a smallie, I'm pretty sure. Got a plane going overhead. What do we got here? Oh, it's a pretty nice smallie. Oh, that's a big smallie. Oh, that is a big smallie. Okay. All right, stay pinned, babe. Oh, this is a nice smallie. Stay pinned. There's a nice one on that yum dinger. Come here, buddy. Down here where it's landing, waves coming in. Stay pinned. Sorry, guys. I'm all over the place trying to get this fish. Nice fish. Stay pinned, baby. It ain't that big. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Nice smallmouth. On that yum dinger, weightless. Ooh, fat. Fat little dude. Sorry guys, I know I was probably shaking all around. I was trying to get him. Good shot of him. Get him released. All right guys, here's that smallmouth. That's just dang waves crashing in. Let's see. Ready, buddy? There he goes. He took off. It's kind of hard to release him right here on these rocks. Get my shoes all wet. Got it. Ultralight. Cast it in the chartreuse worm and got one. A little guy. Just a little guy. Nice little jump. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come around here to this rock so I can get you. Sitting right there by the dock. Hold on, dude. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Chill out. Chill out. Got him. Just a little smallmouth. Nice little smallmouth on the chartreuse worm. Not gonna get a shot of him. It's just thrown back here. Right. It's fish number 3. We worked hard for those 3 fish. There he is. Oh, nice smallie. Nice little jump. Nice little small. Oh, nice jump. Right back over here by this boat, dog. Dang, wind blowing hard. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come on, guys, let me get in. Yep. Oh, nice little smallie. Oh, nice little smallie. Not even gonna get a photo of him. Let's just throw him back right here. See what they're doing. Oh, you gotta go that way, buddy. Ooh, splash me. Nice. Water on the lens. See if we can get another one right here on ultralight. Wind's picking up even more. I just caught a really nice fish and I got the photo and the release, but he kicked water up on my camera. Amateur mistake. There he is. Got it. Not very big. I think this is way smaller. Wind's picking up harder and harder. Yeah, way smaller one. Pretty one though. Look at this one. Super pretty one. Take him over to the bank and land him. Standing on a rock over there. Super pretty one. Look at this one, guys. Slide him up here. He's little, but look how pretty colors on this one. Hang on, dude. Bronze as can be. I'm gonna get a shot of this one just because how beautiful he is. Beautiful little bronze back. Let's get a shot of him. All right, guys. There's that little smallie. Let's get him back. See you later, buddy. Look off. Got him. Nice. Wind was getting real bad. Still pretty bad. Some mosquitoes going down right here. Got my other pole sitting here. Got another smallie. Ooh, wind. Chill out, wind. Let's get it here. Hang on, dude. Hang on. Oh, sorry, guys. Got another one. Got another one on the chartreuse worm. Nice little smallmouth. Get him back here. See you later, bro. Alright guys, back here at the house. I actually did an outro at the lake, but the wind noise was so brutal, you couldn't even hear what I was saying. But I do like this new fluger setup. As you guys seen in the video, it caught the biggest fish of the day. And then my ultralight, my Kuma ultralight does pretty well for them smallies as well. And I actually caught another fish, and the fish before him kicked water up on the screen, so I didn't get the catch on camera. But I did get a photo and a release, and I'll throw that in right now. Alright guys, here's their smallie. There you go, buddy. Hold on guys, let me turn him around here. There you go, splash me. So yeah, that fish catch ended up being blurry. But I hope you guys liked the video. I had fun shooting it. Maybe caught like 6 or 7 smallies. I walked all the way around to the dam and then all the way back. Just didn't stay right next to those boat docks like I normally do. But I hope you guys liked the video. Way more videos are coming. Please like, comment, and share. New videos every Saturday afternoon, guys. Been robparkers Fishing World. Peace.